Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson we're going to have a look at how to read and write in Russian using Cyrillic alphabet. Exciting times, so let's get started.
Hello everyone, today we're going to learn, as you could guess from the title, Cyrillic alphabet. So we're going to learn how to read Russian. First letter of Russian alphabet is A for angel, B for бабочка, V for веер, G for globus, D for дом, E for евро, Ё for елка, Ж for жук, Z for зонт, I for iris, I for yogurt, K for кот, L for лимон, M for мороженое, N for нож, O for остров, P for паспорт, R for радуга, S for самолет, T for торт, U for утка, F for flag, Х for хлеб, Ц for цепь, Ч for чашка, Ш for шоколад, Щ for щит, И for объектив, И for рыба, мягкий знак for пень, Э for эльф, Ю for Юпитер и Я for яблоко. Давайте посмотрим эти буквы еще раз. А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак, И, мягкий знак, Ю, Я. Now, some of these letters are similar to the Latin alphabet and some of them are completely different. We're going to have a look at how to read in Russian, and we're going to have a look at a very short words. So it will be usually one syllable or two syllable words, and few exceptions with three syllable words. Let's get. Before we start practicing our reading skills, let's have a look at particularities of Russian Cyrillic alphabet. One of the particularity of the Russian Cyrillic alphabet is a soft sign, which looks like this. Then we have a hard sign, the letter sh, which is a soft sh, and utified vowels, so which means that a Russian alphabet has 10 vowels. We have the regular vowels that we are familiar with, A, E, O, U, I, which is a hard E, and all of these vowels have their utified versions. So A comes with a pair of Ya. E comes with a pair with Ye. O mutated into Yo. U with U, and hard E, U, with E. So each of the vowels have their utified versions, and therefore in Russian alphabet we have 10 vowels. Let's now practice our reading. Remember to read the words with me. Mama, papa, brat, сестра, кот, фото, кафе, атом, табак, бар, текст, робот, маска, метро, космос, старт, театр, ракета, риск, такси, парк, спорт, паспорт, порт, опера, банк, пикник, грамм, агент, доктор, диск, флаг, салат, балет, билет, балкон, водка, витамин, Москва, вино, виза, багаж, Париж, турист. Let's practice some more. Йогурт, хоккей, характер, финиш, билет, шоколад, центр, автобус, концерт, принц, меню, юмор, Париж, ежик, елка, щи, щука, поэт, аэропорт, музыка, учитель, словарь, объект.
Well, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found the content interesting and educational. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Now let's practice how to greet an informal situation. Let's read the dialogue. Remember to repeat after me. Привет. Привет. Меня зовут Света. А тебя как зовут? Меня зовут Сережа. Очень приятно. Мне тоже. Now let's read it.